Interface. An interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. It has static constants and abstract methods. Interfaces help achieve abstraction, meaning they allow us to define a set of methods without specifying how they work. In Java interfaces, only abstract methods are allowed. There's no actual code inside these methods. This feature is useful for achieving abstraction and supporting multiple inheritances in Java. In simpler terms, interfaces act as a set of rules or a contract. They can contain abstract methods without a specific implementation, and variables but cannot include any actual code for the methods. There are mainly three reasons to use interface. They are given below. 1. It is used to achieve abstraction. 2. By interface, we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. 3. It can be used to achieve loose coupling. Let's see an example. The power-switchable interface declares two abstract methods, turn on and turn off, representing the common functionality of devices that can be powered on and off. The lightbulb class implements the power-switchable interface, providing specific implementations for turning on and off. The device controller class demonstrates how we can use the common interface to interact with different devices, treating them uniformly through the power-switchable interface. This analogy shows how interfaces allow us to define a common set of methods that different classes can implement in their own way. In this case, it's like having a standardized way to turn on and off various electronic devices. See you again. Thank you.